Quite difficult to say because according to police also they have no clue what happened to them. For me, they might have, I don't know, venture somewhere near the gorges, may have slipped, both of them. Or maybe scenario number 2, they may have gone to a nearby river where someone fell first and the other person is trying to rescue and both of them got drowned. We don't know, but these are just, wild imagination because it has been how many days now that they have not been found. So, or maybe they have gone somewhere else without informing their relative also. That could be a possibility. We hope that the scenario number 3 is there, that they have gone somewhere. And, but we don't know. I mean, it's quite difficult for police to figure out also what happened to them. But efforts are on to rescue them. You have heard in the news that state government has taken serious, what do you call it, response, and they have engaged professionals to rescue the 2 missing persons. Yeah.